If Wave accounting is not accepting payments, that can stop your invoicing, client billing, and cash flow instantly. Let's fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Payment systems won't work properly if your connection keeps dropping. Next, refresh the page and try the payment again. Sometimes it's just a temporary system glitch causing the issue. Now check your payment method. Expired cards, incorrect billing info, or insufficient funds can block transactions. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy. Payment gateways often block transactions from unusual locations or IP addresses. Now try completing the payment in an incognito window. This helps bypass cookie or extension conflicts. Next, disable all browser extensions temporarily. Ad blockers or privacy tools can interfere with payment processing. Now clear cache and cookies. Corrupted session data can break payment authorization. Next, check with your bank or card provider. Some transactions get blocked for security reasons. Now check if Wave Accounting is experiencing payment issues or downtime. Sometimes the problem is on their end. Next, make sure your browser is updated. Outdated browsers can break secure payment systems. Now try making the payment from another device. This helps confirm if the issue is device specific. If nothing works, contact support. There may be account restrictions or payment gateway issues only they can fix. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve payment issues in Wave Accounting and get your transactions working again.